informative. The information is all laid out for us, and I really enjoy learning the techniques to make the art and the veins. I'm much more confident. I wanted to do my countertops and floor, and now I feel like I have the confidence to tackle the job and, you know, not make those small mistakes that you might make not taking this class.
I think it's been a wonderful class. I was really kind of worried coming at first, just because it's a group of people that you don't know, totally different place, but everybody's been warm, inviting, super friendly. Levi's great. I think his coaching skills are amazing for at least my type of person. I like the straightforward, you're doing it wrong, start over type deal, so I think it's been great. I think I've learned like all of the necessary skills to get me to that job site and get that bid, and I've definitely learned a lot of the knick-knack things that you don't really, I guess, realize until you've done it before. So it's been really great coming to the class and learning those little nifty tricks.
I didn't really know what to expect. This has been like completely new for me, and it couldn't be any better. I'm so excited because walls, floors, countertops, I mean, everything is now a possibility. I've just found the people like very eclectic, and they're coming from all kinds of different backgrounds, and I think that's great.
He walks everybody through step by step, you know, and it's done very professionally. Doing the marbleization, you know, whether it be the white with the black veins or the black with the white, you know, just being able to make something look like marbles, pretty cool.
There wasn't a boring minute in this whole thing. A lot of hands-on stuff. The instructor had a lot of knowledge on all the products. Just a very exciting time and a great group of people to work with, not only the staff here, but the students as well. Just all the different designs were amazing to me, and how easy the product is to work with. And again, Levi went over many of the aspects of things that can go wrong, how to take care of them issues if they go wrong. And then also just the creativeness, there's just like, it's limitless what we can put out with this product.
Anything I can gain is a plus, and this workshop is incredibly hands-on. It's really exciting. I'm a very tactile person, so being able to mix and pour and be creative. I didn't think very much about what I wanted to do, and there are a few times where I said, okay, jump in and do your thing. It's like, okay. And if I did formulate even the smallest plan, created something wonderful. And you get to experiment in ways that isn't so rigid that you can't allow your own personality to come through. So that's really exciting. It's such a beautiful product, and it's the nuances, it's the subtleties of something beautiful that you have for many, many years, all the years now. You know, whether it was the countertop or the wall was pretty exciting to see. Levi is a phenomenal human being. He has a lot to offer, a lot of insights. He's not afraid to experiment and make mistakes.